Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Excel Pro, and I hope you guys are doing well and safe. As discussed in our last video, I will be taking you through the different tabs in the ribbon. Also, I would like to let you know that I have uploaded a very short video which talks about 10 Excel shortcut so that it will boost your productivity. You know, I mean, when you have a large set of data, how you can play around with your data, like from right to left, bottom to top, top to bottom, and how to select rows, how to select a column, and all those things, and how to convert your data into a table format, and again from table to normal format. So if you have not watched that video, please go and watch that video so that it gives you a very brief about your shortcut keys. Okay, so we'll not waste much time, so let's get started with our today's topic. I have opened a Excel file which you can see here, and there are some settings which I have done so that when I open an Excel file you can see only one tab in it. Okay, now we'll come back to our main topic where I will take you through different tabs. So file, I have already told you what and all is there. You have some save option, print, export your data and all those things, share your file. Okay, so now come back to the first one, home tab. So what exactly you see in the home tab? So this is a default tab which includes some basic functions like clipboard operations, cut, copy, paste, all those things, font settings, like how you want to see your font, whether you want to bold, italic, underline, then wrap text, merge and center, and then some number formatting, conditional formatting, then insert, delete, okay, clear, sort, find and replace, and all those things. So I will take you through one after the other when we do some practical um, data cleaning, or preparation of some charts, dashboards and all those things. So I'm just giving you a very brief so that you know what exactly all these things, and how and where you can find it, and how you can use it off, right? So the insert, next is the insert tab actually. So like tables, charts, pictures, shapes, hyperlinks and all those things. Slicer, so how you can use slicer, timeline, all those things, commands. So there are a lot of things. So when we start doing, then you will understand, but you should know like where you will get all these things, in which tab you will get it, right? And there are some shortcut keys. So instead of going to each tab, you can use your shortcut keys which will help you, to get more productive, right? So I will be sharing my experience which I have learned and which helped me a lot. Next is your page layout. This is very simple. You can do your setup, themes, margins, orientations and all those things, background, Excel background, themes and all those things. Formula, this is very important. All right, so there are a lot of things which we will go in details. It has auto sum, recently used, how many formulas you use and all those things it will show here, financial, logical, text, date and time, lookup, math, more functions. So basically we use logical if statement. I think most of the people, they whatever comes in comes into their mind, the first thing it comes if formula, in simple if formula, do it, right? So if is the most commonly used in Excel. Okay, and there are nested if, when you use multiple ifs, multiple conditions, right? So that's where these things comes in. Okay, then we'll go to the data tab where it has some external data source which you can connect some SQL servers, and if you click on this you will come to know from where you can connect your Excel file and get the data from there. Okay, we'll talk all of this slowly. Okay, and it has filter, unfilter, flash fill, text to column. What is text to column? I will discuss. So there are a lot of things which we will discuss: consolidate, grouping, ungrouping, subtotals, and all those things. Now next come back to review tab. Okay, so review tab is, it includes for spelling and grammar checks, comments, protecting your workbook or protecting your sheets, unprotecting on all those things. All right, now next is your view. So view is also very simple. If you want to remove these grid lines what you see on my screen, so if you don't want to see, you just click on this grid line, it will go off. Okay, but to be honest, I don't use these, going manually to these tabs and doing all these things. Instead of that, I use shortcuts. For example, I'll just say alt wvg, it goes off, right? So I don't go and check all these things. Okay, so I use shortcut keys. Okay, so because this comes with your experience, whenever you do something religiously, you will learn a lot of things from there, right? So now for example, you don't want to see a bar, so you just click anywhere in your active uh, sheet, click on the formula bar, it will go off. Now click on the heading, it will remove your row number, 1 2 3 what you see here, and it will remove your column header a b c d e f g h, right? So it will remove. Okay, and if you click on grid lines, which I already told you, it will remove your grid lines and it will come back again once you take this. Okay, and there is something called freeze panes, right? This is also important. And there is something called new window. Many people don't know how to use it, but I will let you know how to use it and what benefit it gives you. That also I will let you know. Okay, all right, guys, I think I have covered most of the things in the ribbon, and each tab, what it contains and how beneficial or what information you will get from each of these tabs. All right, so the developer tabs, which I will explain in details when we start, or advanced level learning, then I will be sharing some of the important points and things to know. All right, then having said that, I will wind up for today. And if you really feel that these videos are giving or adding some value to your learning journey, then do like, subscribe, and share with your colleagues, your friends, your whoever you know who wants to learn Excel from the beginning. So this is the right place. Yeah. So all right then, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.